Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to crochet this beautiful heart. This heart measures about 5 by 5 centimeters, so it's the perfect size to add a cute and delicate touch. I made this heart to decorate my crocheted hand warmers and I absolutely love how it turned out. If you're looking for a smaller version of this heart, I've already shared a mini heart tutorial here on my channel. So make sure to check that out as well. You can also use this heart for so many other projects like hats, scarves, bags, baby items, or any handmade gift that needs a little extra love. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below telling me what you would like to see next. For this project, I'm using a 4.5 crochet hook, scissors, and some acrylic yarn. Before we get started, I would like to show you my YouTube channel in just 20 seconds. This is my channel where I post videos on crochet projects, crafting, and more. Remember, if you like what you see and want to stay updated on my new videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications. Thank you for your support. Let's get crocheting. For the first row, first of all, make a magic ring. Now chain 3. After making the magic ring, make 3 chain stitches. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one. After 3 chain stitches, work 3 treble crochet. For the treble crochet, first of all, yarn over twice and then pull the yarn through 2 loops around the hook each time. Repeat this again. We need 3 treble crochet. And this is the third one. After 3 treble crochet, work 3 double crochet. Double crochet is pretty easy. As you can see, yarn over once and then pull the yarn through 2 loops around the hook each time. After that, chain 1 and then work a treble crochet in the magic ring. Once again, chain 1. After this chain stitch, we are going to have 3 double crochets. The first one, the second one, and the last one. After 3 double crochets, once again we're going to have 3 treble crochets. This is the first one. The second one. As you see, I'm working 3 treble crochets in my magic ring, and this is the last one. After these 3 treble crochets, chain 3. Make a slip stitch in the magic ring. After this slip stitch, the first row is going to be completed. Now we can pull the central yarn to close the magic ring. As you see right now, the heart is shaped pretty well. let's start the second row. First of all, find the place between the 3 chain stitches and the first treble crochet of the first row. This is this place, and now work a slip stitch in that place. Next, in the same place, work a single crochet. Next, find the first treble crochet, insert the hook into the top of that stitch and work 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Now find the next stitch, on the top of the second treble crochet, and again work 2 single crochets. Once again, in the next stitch, 2 single crochets. We're going to have 2 single crochets in the same stitch 3 times. And now, in the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. Again, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and once again 1 single crochet in the next stitch. 3 single crochets in 3 stitches. Now we are on the top of the treble crochet. First chain 1 and then work a double crochet on the top of these treble crochet. As you can see, 1/2 of the heart is now completed. Once again, chain 1. From this point on, we are going to mirror the same steps on the other side to create the second half of the heart. So first, work 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. We will have 3 single crochets. This is the second one in the second stitch after the chain stitch. And this is the last one. Into the next 3 stitches, we will have 6 single crochets in total. So work 2 single crochets in each stitch. This is the second stitch, and I'm going to work 2 single crochets into this stitch. Once again, into the last stitch, 2 single crochets. Now find the place between the last treble crochet of the previous row and chain stitches. After that, work 1 single crochet and 1 slip stitch into that place. Now our crocheted heart is complete. We can remove the yarn. I want to attach this heart to the hand warmer, so I'm leaving a longer tail of yarn to have enough for sewing it onto the glove. If you're planning to attach it as well, do the same. Now, use your hook to bring the yarn to the back of the heart. Pull the central yarn to close the magic ring. After that, tie the yarn ends together. You can also trim any extra yarn, and if you like, use a bit of hot glue to stick it anywhere you want. This heart can even make a cute fridge magnet, especially perfect for Valentine's Day. Just stick it on your fridge and enjoy. And okay, that's it. Our heart is complete. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Bye.